Hi everyone, want to take your NSFW chat to the next level? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Crushon AI like a pro for immersive, steamy, and totally unfiltered role plays. Let's get started. First, head to the Crushon AI and log in or sign up. And once you're in, you'll land at the main discovery page. Then search for the tags like NSFW, flirty, dominant, submissive, romantic in order to spice up the characters or to provide a spicy characters. This can create your own also, and to get real unfiltered experience, make sure that you're using NSFW goggle. Crush on doesn't censor your conversation like character AI, so you're free to explore every fantasy without interruption. And then here can also begin with a convo with something engaging. Don't just say hi. Drop it to a role play scenario. And then here, not getting the vibe you want. Try prompts like this. Describe how you kiss professionally, tell me the darkest fantasy, and even more. And if you want a full control, click create character and give them to a particular personality like seductive, shy, dominant, mysterious. You can name it all and add NSFW flags and backstory to make them feel real. And for the experience, for the best detailed, for and also don't be afraid to ask or to try the responses for better clips. And that's it. That's how you chat with NSFW characters like a pro using your Crushon AI. If this help you hit I with your role plays, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap your notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.